Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music from a video to your edits in CapCut. So I got this question on my comment section on how you can add a music from a video. So here what you need to do is just extract the sound or music from a video. So after you import the clips that you want to edit, just go straight to audio and choose the extracted option, and in here you can just choose or select the videos that you want to extract its music. So for example, I want to extract music from this Zayn song. You can just choose the video and then click on add, and then after that the sound or the music will be extracted into an audio file like this, and it will be added to your videos. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.